Imagine doing in minutes what used to take you hours, not by cutting corners, but by working smarter with generative AI as your analytics co-pilot. Hello, I'm Mark Pico, and I'm excited to guide you through GenAI for data analytics, developed in collaboration with Starweaver. This hands-on course is built for anyone who wants to gain practical, immediately applicable skills in analytics, whether you're working, studying, or transitioning into the field. In this course, you'll learn how to use GenAI across the analytics lifecycle, from a messy business question to a clear analytics plan, from raw data to actionable insights, from insights to recommendations stakeholders trust. You'll practice with Gemini and Google Colab, where you'll learn how to write prompts that generate Python code, explain results, and iterate faster without needing to be a programming expert. What sets this course apart is our focus on confidence and trust. Using GenAI in analytics introduces risks, wrong answers, weak assumptions, hidden bias, but will ensure you apply best practices in frameworks like CrisDM and data governance to validate your results. By the end, you'll have a repeatable approach to generating better analysis, validating results, and communicating findings early. Ready to become a faster, stronger, and more trusted analytics professional? Enroll in GenAI for data analytics today and start transforming your work with real, practical skills, real workflows, better outcomes.